Good evening, parents. My name is Jeremy LeBrun. I'm the new principal at DeLaura Middle School. I've already met a lot of you just kind of out and about. I want to personally thank you for coming out tonight. I know it's an evening out away from your family maybe, or you have sports activities, but it's so meaningful that you take the time to come out and meet your parents, teachers. Research shows that parent involvement is one of the most important things in a student and a child's life as they go through the school. So I just want to personally thank you for coming out. Tonight's real important. You're going to hear from all of your children's teachers. They'll probably go over some of their procedures, their rules, any other information that might help your child or you stay connected during this school year. Three things that we're focusing on this year as a school. The first one is standards-based instruction. So all of our teachers are really focused on making sure that their lessons, their classroom every single day is aligned to those standards and the depth of those standards. The second thing that we're focusing on this year as a school is building relationships with students, meaningful relationships. I don't want anyone to leave after 2 years here at DeLaura without having one adult that they know cares about them and interacts with them every single day on a level beyond just the normal classroom introduction. Our third focus for the year is parent and community communication. So those are the three things that we're really going to focus on as a staff, as a school, from the principal to the teacher to the front office to our custodial staff. Those three are going to be our core principles for the entire year. Standards-based instruction, building relationships with students, and parent and community communication. So if any of those three things aren't meeting your standards, please let me or one of our assistant principals, Ms. Barnett or Ms. Evans, know. So those are our three kind of great aims for the school year. So once again, I'll be out and about tonight. If you see me, feel free to introduce yourself. If I see you, I might introduce myself. But I really do appreciate you guys coming out, and I look forward to having a great year as a DeLaura Scotty. Go Scotties.